This is in Bucharest, in Romania, and this just happened overnight. So I'm pretty excited. And I'm gonna go on an adventure to get some ramen and sushi out here. And actually I'm pretty nicely surprised that it seems like people are pretty diligent about cleaning the sidewalks. It's even better than where I'm from, where there's blizzards all the time. So I'm gonna do a couple little shots of this out here to share the beautiful snow with you from Romania, the fairy tale land. Woohoo! Where's the sushi, guys? Do you guys know where the sushi is? Some rice? Rice? I think we're on the right track now for the sushi, and I got some booster to boost me. Yeah. Ramen sushi. Popcorn, shrimps, and dragon rolls, and black